Alright guys, welcome to another video. Today it is still snowy and cold, and Dad's about to unclog this chimney the redneck style. It's gonna be bad. So basically, what he's gonna do, he's got his big shotgun, his 20 gauge, and he's gonna shoot the cap on the chimney, which is right there. So he's gonna shoot it, and he thinks it's gonna unplug it. I don't know, I ain't never heard of such foolishness, but I'm gonna put these earmuffs on. How you gonna do that?
I'm gonna shoot it.
How?
Pulling the trigger.
Oh, really? No, where?
Right here. I'll make sure I'm close.
Hold on, let Sandy get out of the way.
No, I don't get any
Oh, good God.
Did it unclog it? Tell me, did it? That's the hillbilly way it done.
That unclogged it right there. You can see
One more
it.
shot, I have it clean as a whistle.
Oh my God. Well, that's how you unclog a chimney right there.
Stop, redneck.
Redneck. Oh. All of that junk just came out of there.
Close up of it unclogging it?
Huh?
Do a close up of it unclogging it?
I did.
That's right.
It's on video. Well, that was interesting.
That's the safest way to do it without climbing on your rooftop.
Yeah. What he said. That's what we do over here at Dad's house.
Safety first.
Yeah, safety first. This was done by trained professionals.
Yeah, don't try it at home.
Don't try at home. Don't try nowhere.
It's gotta be a good shot.
You gotta be a good shot. Yeah, you do. So I don't know why I let him do that, but. Well, see you guys later.